Here are some highlights from the December issue of Onsite Installer. Some installers chase easy jobs. Miles Holden chases the ones that keep everyone else up at night. If you've ever stared down a tank set on a steep hillside or a repair that makes zero sense, this story is going to hit home. Ever looked at a test pit and thought, nope, not happening? This job was worse. Fayetteville's brutal Enders Clay forced the crew into a last-ditch design that almost didn't pass the regs. The way they threaded the needle is worth a look. Designing a system that can take a beating starts with understanding the peaks, not the averages. From fixture surges to leaky toilets that quietly dump 100 GPD, here's the story behind the fluctuating flows that shape every system you put in the ground. Want to know which products really perform in the field? Onsite Innovations highlights contractors solving real problems with real equipment, the perfect research tool for your next job. Also in this issue, with practical tools like dry aggregate rules and hydraulic load testing, Knott's new course is built for the mud, not the classroom. Septic disposal is getting easier in New Hampshire, but homeowners still don't get it. Corey Lawrence is out there teaching them one tank at a time. If you work in septic, these state programs aren't just news. They're a pipeline of inspections, pump-outs, and upgrades ready to be booked. John Deere's new Operations Center Pro puts diagnostics, repair info, and troubleshooting right in your hands. All this and more is included in your free subscription to Onsite Installer magazine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.